Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the STANLEY FMST82967-1 Pro Stack New Higher Capacity Organizer. Need more space? This organizer utilizes previously lost areas with its innovative cup design. Versatility at its finest, featuring a combination of large, double, and long cups for all your tools and accessories. With side latches for easy carrying and safe stacking, transporting your gear has never been simpler. The transparent PC lid provides visibility, while the unique lid design locks all compartments securely in place. It is built with heavy-duty ergonomic handles and anti-rust geometric metal latches. Plus, it's compatible with the entire PRO stack system. Get organized with the STANLEY FMST82967-1 today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.